Hi everyone, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc, and today I'm going to be sharing my July 2025 free with purchase class. You can get this card class and all the components to go with it for free with a $50 online purchase in my Stampin' Up store. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make these cards. So we're using two different stamp sets. We're using the Sweet Jar and the new Jar of Joy stamp set. And when your packet arrives, it's going to look just like this. I have everything pre-cut for you, and everything is in an individual envelope for you as well. So as you get ready to make each one, you'll just pull out those and get ready to do it. So we're going to start. You'll get a piece of basic white cardstock, and you're going to go ahead and stamp your jars. So we're just going to get all of that out of the way first. So we want to stamp 4 jars, and I'm just going to do 1 in each corner with that jar. There is a jar in both of those stamp sets, and they are interchangeable, so you can use whichever one you want. If you don't want both stamp sets, if you just want one, you can modify these cards to fit all Christmas or all treats and birthdays. You can do it however you like. So we're going to start, 2 of our jars are for a birthday card, and we're going to put hearts in them. So this is a little background, and we're doing some second generation stamping with real red ink. So just stamp off first, and that way you get a lighter shade of the real red. And then we're putting the actual hearts over that, and we're going to stamp those full strength in real red. So you can see it gives a really nice two-tone look with those hearts. Very, very cute. So that will be for our birthday card. And then we have another one from that stamp set. This is the Sweet Jar, and I need to clean my stamp first. Sorry. Got to get those out of the way. So on this one, we're just going to, again, we're going to stamp off. And you can do this with really any color of brown. I'm using crumb cake here, but any color brown will work. You're just going to want to make sure it's a lighter color. And then I'm going to grab my pecan pie, and I'm going to stamp over that. And this is going to make some chocolate chip cookies. So then we're going to do one more stamp on that, and we're going to use, I believe, Early Espresso is what I use there. And we're going to make the little dots that are going to make it look like chocolate chips. So kind of fun and a neat way to, give them a treat. So there's your close-up look at that one. And then our final jar is from the Sweet Jar, and this is an online exclusive that just became available in July. So if you're wondering where it came from, that's where. And I'm starting with pecan pie and doing the little gingerbread man. And then I'm going to accent it with some real red. So again, this is another 2-step stamp. You have to do both colors to complete the image. And just line that up. It gives them a little red bow tie and just makes it look a little more Christmassy. So we've got all of our jars stamped. So most of our stamping for all of the cards are done already. And then the coordinating punch, I'm going to turn it upside down and punch all of those out. It does punch both the jars and a lid, and there is a stamp for the lid if you prefer to do that. I'm just making them a little more simple. So we'll get all of those stamped. And then I'm going to use my basic black cardstock that will be included in your kit, and I'm going to punch out 4 of the lids to our jars. So you can see we've got all of those done. And I'm going to put just a tiny edge of glue around the top of each jar and put my lids on, and then those will be ready to go as we do each project. And again, if you want all of your jars to be Christmas jars, you could do that. If you want them all to have chocolate chip cookies, you could do that as well. So our first card is a Z-fold card. And if you're wondering about the measurements, I do provide a PDF tutorial that has all of the supplies and measurements. My newsletter subscribers get that for free each month. So if you would like, be sure to hit that newsletter subscription button that I'll have in the description below, and you can get that in your inbox as well. I'm using the Marbled Elegance Designer Series paper. Now I will tell you, if you do get one of my card kits, it is possible that you might have different paper than what I'm showing here, but it should be still from the same kit and should still work. And then this piece is going to be a little bridge. And so it just folds the opposite of the other one. Now I like to use a little bit stronger adhesive on this because I really don't want it to wiggle around. So I'm going to adhere one end there and the other end there, and then you get this type of layout. And now to add our jars, we're going to add our heart jars on this one. And I'm going to put some dimensionals on it just to give it a little oomph. And we want our other jar on the other side here. So you can never go wrong with dimensionals. Just adds a little bit more. And then there's lots of greetings in both of these stamp sets. So we're going to stamp this one as a happy birthday. Actually, I have a little circle that's included, and we're going to do sending a little love your way. And what I like about this is you can do this two-tone. So there's one stamp that says sending a little, then it's got space, and then your way, and then you can do the love there. There's also luck. Oh, let's see. What else do we have? Sweetness and party, all different things you can use there. So we'll stick that on there, and then we want to decorate the inside also. So again, I'm going to stamp that with a happy birthday. And just a couple little hearts too. So this is really a great stamp set for just about any occasion. And that is our completed Z-fold card. So hopefully you like that one. And you'll notice I always clean up my stamps and I try to put my ink pad away. That's just so I don't make a mess. Now this card, I don't really know what to call it, but it's another fun fold. Pretty simple, and it uses a minimal amount of paper. So we're just going to start by putting our white layer onto our real red cardstock. And then I've got these two strips of the Marbled Elegance paper. I'm just going to put one on each end. And again, I like to use the multi-purpose liquid glue for that because I can kind of wiggle those in place if I need to. And then we have this middle piece, and this is a folded piece, and then that little flap just lifts up, and that gives you a place to put your greeting. So I'm going to put a white piece on the inside, and another one will go on the outside. So I've got my greeting here, and this one says, wishing you the sweetest Christmas. We'll put that on the front. And of course, we're going to add our gingerbread jar for that one. And this is just really cute. You put some dimensionals on there, add a little more, and it's just perfect. So again, when I have these classes, I don't include your stamps or your ink or your adhesive. If you want to buy those, then of course you would qualify enough to get the kit for free. All right, our final card. So this is one of my favorite fun folds. It's really easy to do, and this one uses pecan pie cardstock. So we're going to put our basic white on the inside, and then we've got a smaller strip that goes on the outside. And I always love this color combo of white and like brown and red. It really gives kind of a warm Christmas look. So another piece of our Marbled Elegance, and then this little piece goes on the inside, and it folds the opposite way, holding that shut. Then we've got a white square, and I want to stamp a few hearts on that and also on the inside. So just make sure we've got plenty of those. And we'll put our white piece there on the outside. And our final jar will get put on with some dimensionals. Oops, what did I forget here? Oh, yes, I need to stamp it with a little treat for you. Because of course, with chocolate chip cookies, why wouldn't you do that? I think this would be so cute to include with a plate of chocolate chip cookies and send that to your neighbor. There we go, and there's those two. And you can see I use different browns on those, so really whatever brown you've got on hand you can use. I do want to show you some of my cards from the July Card Club as well, and we're using that Sweet Jar stamp set. So these are just some samples that I have made, and Card Club is monthly. You have to sign up by the 20th of each month, and you receive all of the paper products to make 8 cards, 2 each of 4 different designs, and these are the ones we're making this month. It's $39.99, and that includes $20 worth of Stampin' Up! Product, plus your shipping and your PDF tutorial and all the supplies to make those cards. So you could join Card Club, you could order your supplies, and then you could also get the free with purchase kit, and that way you've got lots of card ideas with the Sweet Jar and Jar Joy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.